itu CGP law movement all India te support krase sob manek bar hat inga wave course albe please to moi speech to na dibo dei no palagi na bhaibe last te dibo na pale bi moi ekta duita ei jo brothers khan ke encourage korul mon ase tai khan Thursday Friday de etu CGP law protest koro gadan de WhatsApp te circulate korina ami khan debate korse to ami to CGP member no hoy to be frank and honest aw eta ai gena thaka bi official member no hoy tai khan bi kon ase na dei but very young people dei ephale ai gena thaka khan bi bishi young mane khane ase tai khan ke underestimate koala no hoy some will be in the 17 years some will be in the 18 years some of them will be between 20 25 years ase dei 30 years between no hoy aw aji itu program go to disorganize house ko tu bi na babibi holbe ekta challenging task tai khan bi inga parase hole ami khan well educated mano well refined mano leadership khan mano khan bi nika initiative lobole parala ekta challenging task babi kena aji platform speech tai khan kholi dise on behalf of them nay on behalf of CGP to officially hoy upa nai but on behalf of CGP supporter apni khan ke encourage korole man thaka do take your time because the protest will be till up to 3 PM to 6 PM na aw ekta bhaldo congratulations sob ke dia se Damendra Pradhan resign hoise na Mumbai to close kori do ola freestyle madu upai nai na bishi formula bi dia ase tuma gono no bhado kol speech disha ke de satisfy hone gula ara egna ko diribe upai nai na hole bi ekta decorum maintain korbe derogatory speech slang words kan use korbe government ke criticize korla suglo to system dia des criticize korbe kola khol dia ase de aro gorom lage suglo to apni kan bi boi jale bhal ga ale ta khala dedication sabi de aro still time is there kumba egna dialogue marbola suglo dialogue marbe gana korbe mona suglo gana korbe na and this is not only about CGP protest that is going on in Delhi but the entire system education kala hogina thaka to system bal hobo lage hogina khara hase dei so please take your time and opportunity to speak to umar korbul mon ase thank you so much amar phasida speech dibo mono pa na jagena thakibe